The Great Unmasking, Beyond the Paper Life. For decades, we are taught to build a monument to ourselves out of paper. We call it a resume. We are told that if we stack enough titles, earn enough wealth, and secure enough seniority, we will finally achieve success. We treat our lives like a balance sheet, believing that being the number one employee or holding a prestigious title is the ultimate proof of a life well lived. But as we stand at the intersection of experience and wisdom, we realize a profound and liberating truth. The resume is a ghost. It is a two-dimensional shadow of a three-dimensional soul, and at the end of our journey, its validity disappears entirely. True success is not a destination recorded in a human resources file. It is the quality of our presence in the here and now. When we look back from the finish line, no one remembers the synergy they created in a boardroom or the market share they captured in a fiscal quarter. What remains is the intimacy of our connections to ourselves, to our fellow humans, and to the living earth that sustains us. We realized that the number one ranking was a social fiction, a gamified version of life that kept us from looking at the trees, the sky, and the people standing right in front of us. The tragedy of the resume-driven life is attachment. We become attached to the mask of our professional identity, fearing that without the title, we are nothing. But as the wisdom of unattachment teaches us, it is only when we let go of who we were on paper that we become free to be who we are in spirit. Happiness is found in the dirt, not the data. It is found in the deep, quiet satisfaction of helping a neighbor, restoring a piece of land, or helping another human being feel the pulse of nature for the first time. This is meaningful work in its purest form. It doesn't require a LinkedIn profile or a corporate endorsement. It requires only a willing heart and a pair of hands ready to serve the home we all share. The present moment is the only currency that never devalues. Whether you shined on a resume is bunk, because the resume cannot capture the light in your eyes when you're doing something you love. It cannot record the ripple effect of a single act of kindness or the profound peace found in a forest clearing. In the end, we will not be asked what our salary was or how many people we managed. We will be asked, how deeply did you love? How well did you live? And how did you care for the garden you were given? When we stop living for the paper life, we finally start living for the real one. We realize that we are not our titles. We are the living bridge between the world as it is and the world as it could be. And that beyond any shadow of a doubt, is the only success that matters.